This video demonstrates how to build and debug for SmartBond device running SDK10 in eSquare Studio. Part 1. Change build settings and build a project in eSquare Studio. Part 2. Debug a project in eSquare Studio. This video uses the DA14695 Development Kit Pro for demonstration. Part 1. Build project. Add a variable in the audio task function. This variable will be used to demonstrate the debug function. Right-click the project name in Project Explorer and select C Project Settings. In the configuration box, click Manage Configurations button to open Manage Configurations dialog and set the selected configuration as active. The target processor, optimization, warnings, debugging, compiler, assembler, linker, etc. settings can be changed in Tool Settings tab. The include path for header files can be added in compiler, includes. To change optimization level, select optimization, and choose from the optimization level list. Toolchain can be changed in the Toolchains tab. The Linked Resources dialog shows that folder links are based on the SDK root folder location. In this case, the relative location should always be under the SDK folder. Therefore, the whole SDK folder should be moved if you want to move the project. Click Apply and Close to save the current configuration. This dialog may show up to ask for scanning the project to update editor information. Select Rebuild Index. Build project. Build is successful. Part 2. Debug project. Connect mini USB cable to the target board and the computer. Select Debug Configurations to open the Debug Configuration window. In Debug Configurations window, select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging. Then click on the existing debug configuration. Select Debugger tab, set J-Link ARM as the debug hardware, and DA14695 as the target device. Under the Debugger tab, go to the Connection Settings subtab. Set J-Link type as USB. Set Interface type as SWD. Click Apply button to confirm the settings. Proceed to debugging immediately by clicking Debug button. The debugger can also be started from the workbench in the main screen. Launch the debugger. The display switches to the debug perspective. The program stops at main. Click Resume button to continue running. At the bottom, the program status running indicates program is running. Click on Suspend button to break at current program counter. The program status is changed to suspended. To add a breakpoint, double-click on the line with address in the address pane. The breakpoint is marked with an icon. It can be removed by double-clicking on the icon. To view a global variable, drag and drop it to the expressions view. If the view is not shown, select Window, Show View, Expressions. To watch real-time update of values, right-click the variable and select Enable Real-Time Refresh. Click Resume button to watch the real-time update of values. eSquare Studio offers a quick way to open commonly used debug views by selecting Window, Show View, Others, Debug. Additionally, the Renesas-specific debugging views can be opened from the Renesas Views menu. To stop debugging, click Terminate button. The debugger is disconnected, and debugging is terminated.